On days when you have chickpeas at home, you often think of making either chole or hummus. But on days when you also have coconut cream and pumpkin, you should organically think of making this curry. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a curry which is inspired very loosely by the Kerala Moilee. The name, you may ask? A chickpea pumpkin curry. Let's begin. We light the flame on a high and begin with vegetable oil. Once the oil heats up, let's add in black mustard seeds. Once they splutter, cumin seeds. Time to add in sliced red onions. Let's saute this a little. And once this becomes translucent, we'll add in paste of ginger, garlic and green chilies. And along with this, some curry leaves. The raw flavor of ginger garlic is now taken care of. Time to add in the red pumpkin, which is peeled, diced and ready. We saute this on high temperature precisely for a minute and then add in the powder spices, beginning with red chilli, followed up with turmeric, and finally garam masala powder. Once the pumpkin is well coated with the spices, time to add in hot water to ensure the pumpkin cooks well. Once this begins to boil, we'll add in some salt so that it gets wonderfully absorbed by the pumpkin. Well, talking about red pumpkins, this is wonderful actually for eye health. It's great for your gut. It's wonderful because it contains beta carotene, it contains vitamin E, A, and C, which is great for your skin, healthy glow and wonderful eyes. Talking about coconut cream, it also contains healthy fats, which is wonderful for your gut and amazing for your daily use and daily nutrition. So remember these things when you make your recipes. Ensure that it's a combination of a lot of wonderful things that you want to make a part of yourself on a daily basis. Not forgetting, this also has chickpeas, which is a great source of natural proteins. Let's check the doneness of the pumpkin. The pumpkin is perfectly cooked to bite, and this is the right time to add in the coconut cream. A quick stir, and without further ado, the chickpeas, which are boiled and ready. A quick boil, and with this, off goes the flame. And once the flame goes off, I'm going to squeeze in a wedge of lemon. This helps in cutting the creaminess and bringing that little tinge of acidity in the recipe, which is very important. Well, I think this is perfect. It's creamy. It's got a tinge of sweetness because of the pumpkin and the coconut cream. And it's got that delicate spice, which comes, of course, from the green chilies. Let's serve this now. Well, this goes amazingly well, and my preferred choice is a bowl of steamed rice. But you can also serve this with couscous or with quinoa. Make this for your family, make this for your friends, and this is brought to you by Get Curried. Bye for now.